And we're back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape with another outdoor landscape transformation. As you can see with this amazing landscape design, it definitely is one that's going to blow your mind, in that we've been able to take back this customer landscape and solve the landscape drainage problem only at Brooks Landscaping, where we give our customers more quality and more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. And let me take you through this landscape so you know exactly what I mean. Now, as you can see, we put in this dry creek bed design in order to deal with the water that was coming off of this customer's neighbor's yard. We're right here in the Bentwater, Seven Hills area, so it does say we see a lot of drainage issues. But what we did is we took that dry creek bed all the way down the landscape and we put it into this storm drain where it wanted to go. So no longer is that water able to come off of this hillside, or no longer is that water able to come off of the neighbor's hillside and affect this landscape, but now it's going to be appropriated through this drainage solution that we've provided for the customer. In addition, what we've also done is we've given this customer back the landscape by getting rid of that existing Bermuda that had just washed away due to the erosion, and providing them with this beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod. That's right, the best grass your money can buy, drought tolerant, shade tolerant, and it's extremely hardy. That means it takes on a tremendous amount of foot traffic. So if you got dogs or a lot of kids and you have a lot of foot traffic on your landscape, this is the absolute best grass for you. And it's the reason it says that this is one of the best grass that your money can buy, because it's also going to be able to give you that drought tolerance that you need in case you don't got the sprinkler system. And so these are just some of the ways that we're solving customers' outdoor living experience and providing them with the drainage solution that lasts a lifetime, all brought to you exclusively by Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.